Meteorologist Ethan Houston for a check on the weather. Not going to be quite as warm, I think, as those elephants needed to be.
No, temperatures are going to be cooler. In fact, that did look like I've lived out in Wyoming for a period of time. It looked like I was back out west, seeing those bison walk around grazing in southwestern Pennsylvania. Outside right now, very windy across much of the Susquehanna Valley, and we're going to keep these strong winds around for the evening on into the overnight hours, possibly up to 50 miles per hour. We could see those gusts, so that's why it's an impact evening, because winds of that strength could bring down some power lines, could snap some tree limbs, and cause some issues. Now, I do expect this seasonal chill that's back out there to stick around this weekend. That means temperatures in the upper 40s to near 50 degrees. But if you like the spring-like warmth that we had yesterday, that's coming back. In fact, it's going to be more intense as we go into next week, where temperatures be back into the mid to upper 60s. That's where we usually are by late April. Outside right now, you can see the flag sticking out from the poles on the Lancaster Skycam. It will remain quite blustery this evening. Right now down to 38 degrees. Feels like it's just 27 in the Red Rose City. So bundle up if you're going to be out and about there this evening. Windy and cooler with temperatures just hovering in the 30s. Lows tonight will be in the lower 30s, but when you factor in that stiff breeze, it's going to feel like it's in the low to mid 20s just before dawn. And then for tomorrow, look for another day with a patchwork of sunshine and clouds. Temperatures will be back up to near 50 degrees, but we'll still have that stiff breeze. It just won't be as strong as what we're dealing with right now. So we do have that wind advisory in effect across the entire Susquehanna Valley until 4 a.m. tomorrow. So the winds will be quite strong through the overnight hours. There's still going to be blustery, possibly anywhere gusting from 20 to 30 miles per hour. Also on into Saturday, it looks like it is going to be a breezy day. Here's a look at some of the strongest winds throughout the day. A gust of 44 miles per hour at the airport in Lancaster, 41 miles per hour, 37 miles per hour so far in Lebanon. Right now, the gust is at 32 miles per hour in Lebanon, and I've turned on the gusts here across live Local 8 radar. We do have that thick cloud cover, but if you're watching us up towards Lewistown, there could be some spotty flurries. Made it to 53 for our high today. I bet a lot of people are going, what? Well, that was right after midnight. Temperatures were still in the 50s before the front moved on by, and we picked up 1/100th of an inch of rain. Now down to 37 at the airport. It's 36 if you're joining us from Chambersburg. So we've got that January chill back across the Susquehanna Valley. There's where the warmth went. It's all the way down across the south, but it's building back over the Red River Valley. That's where we find our next storm that's starting to take formation as it's moving out of the Rockies. It's a fast mover, and it doesn't have much moisture to work with, but we could see an isolated rain or snow shower late tomorrow night on into Saturday morning. So watch what happens here on the predictor. We get some breaks in the clouds, but let's call it partly to mostly cloudy through the night tonight. We'll have some peaks of sunshine in the morning, but some clouds will bubble up as we head through the afternoon. Notice on the predictor some passing showers off to our west. In fact, there could be a little bit higher chances for some snow out towards Pittsburgh, but for us here in the valley, we're just anticipating some isolated rain or some snow trying to mix in at times. Not looking for any accumulation. Then that storm pushes by to our south. Another shot of some cooler, blustery weather will build on in for your Saturday, and temperatures will be a little bit below average. But notice the quick warm up as we go into next week. We're talking temperatures back into the mid to upper 60s, and we will flirt with 70 degrees for Wednesday of next week. We have not been that warm out at the airport, but once we get past this weekend, I do expect not much in the way of wet weather returning to the Susquehanna Valley. Just the chances for some passing showers will return for your next Thursday.